Good afternoon, students. Today I am back with another session of MCQ of Target NEET 2024 MCQ series. So our first question goes like this. Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids are all part of chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids are all part of A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Algae, D. Mollusca. Monera, we have learnt already in our classes that it consists of bacteria. So, and algae, we know that this cannot be chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, or euglenoids. Mollusca as well as is not the answer, and the answer is Protista. So, all three of them, chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, are part of Protista. Which of the following is also known as golden algae? Which of the following is also known as golden algae? The answer is diatoms. The answer is diatoms. They are also known as golden algae. Third question is, which among the following class of Protista are a flagellate? That means which does not have flagella. So first option is dinoflagellate. First option is dinoflagellate. No, it has flagella. Second option is chrysophytes. Yeah, it does not have flagella. Third option is slime molds. It also does not have flagella. So the answer is both B and C. Option B, both B and C. Because both chrysophytes and slime molds does not have flagella. Now our fourth question is, chrysophytes have protein-rich pellicle? No. Hard cellulose cell wall? No. Too thin overlapping shells? Yes. Chrysophytes has too thin overlapping shells. Our next question is, diatomaceous earth is a toxin for marine animals? No. Is used in filtration of syrups and oils? Yes. Turns the whole sea red? No. None of the above? No. So the answer is used in filtration of syrups and oils. Is used in filtration of syrups and oils. Basically, what is diatomaceous earth? It is remnant of chrysophytes. It is basically remnants of chrysophytes. Now our sixth question. Which among the following protists are photosynthetic? Which among the following protists are photosynthetic? A. Protozoa, B. Euglenoid, C. Dinoflagellates, D. Both B and C. The answer is both B and C. The answer is both B and C because both euglenoid and dinoflagellate are photosynthetic. In fact, euglenoids also have pigments like higher plants. Now, seventh question. What is the characteristic feature of flagella of dinoflagellates? What is the characteristic feature of flagella of dinoflagellates? Option A, one shot. Okay, this is a very good question. Here I will also teach you a trick of answering MCQs. चलो पहले options पढ़ लेते हैं. Option A, one short and one long. No. Along the pseudopodia. No question because dinoflagellate does not have pseudopodia. One present transversely and the other one longitudinally. Yes, this is the answer. D is all of the above. Okay. So how can we do like an intelligent guess in case of MCQ? An intelligent guess, mind you. All of the above is not possible. Okay. because these are three different types of options and all these three different types of options cannot exist together. So all of the above is not possible. Now along these pseudopodia, now if we even vaguely remember about dinoflagellate, we will remember that it does not have any pseudopodia. Its structure, if we can remember, thick plate-like structures and all, there is no question of pseudopodia. So we can eliminate B and D. So there will be two other options, one short and one long, and one is one present transversely and the other one longitudinally. Now you have to think that the question setter is also human being. If this complicated statement is not the answer, then how will it even click in the mind of the examiner to put this as option? Okay, ये अगर आप तुक्का लगाने चाहते हो तो, like if this complicated sentence is not the answer, how will a person even think of coming up with such an option? So in case of these two options, remaining these two options, one short and one long, one present transversely and the other one longitudinally, more probability is there, like 90% probability is there that this complicated sentence will be the answer. Okay? Okay, chalo. So, our next question, that is 8th question. Which among the following protists produce toxin harmful for marine animals? Which among the following protists produce toxins harmful for the marine animals? A. Protozoa, B. Slime mold, C. Dinoflagellate, D. Euglena. Answer is dinoflagellate. Answer is dinoflagellate. ये बहुत ही straight forward question है. इसको बस मतलब you have to mug up. Few things you have to mug up, otherwise you cannot answer. So harmful toxin is produced by dinoflagellates. Now 9th question. Which among the following organisms is present in fresh water? Which among the following organisms is present in fresh water? Slime mold, euglenoid, chrysophytes, none of the above. Slime mold we will come to know, and we have already studied in the lecture that it is found on dead twigs of plants and all these things. So no question of water. Chrysophytes mostly in marine water. Euglenoids are the one which are found in fresh water. Euglenoids are found in fresh water. So answer is B, euglenoids. Which of the protists are found in fresh water? It is euglenoids. Now 10th question. Euglenoids possess true cell wall, hard cellulose plates, soft and flexible body because of pellicle, a protein-rich substance, and two thin overlapping shells. So two thin overlapping shells are present in chrysophytes that we already know. Hard cellulose plates, these are present in dinoflagellates. Hard cellulose plates, these are present in dinoflagellate. So again we are coming with two options where first sentence is small, like true cell wall. C is soft and flexible body because of pellicle, a protein-rich substance. So again, this statement itself should make clear that if this is not the answer, then it is very difficult to come up with such a type of complicated option. So this might be the answer. Now again, with this preparation, आपको तुक्का लगाने की जरूरत होगी नहीं. That I can guarantee you, because we will do so much practice that you will remember that which has what. Okay, and by practicing questions only you can remember the points in NCERT. Again, I am repeating, by hashtag MCQ, hashtag PYQ. After this, I will also start sessions with PYQs. So this only by solving MCQs and PYQs, you can recall what you read. Okay, reading is not the only way to success. Okay, you have to read, then you have to recall also. And how will you recall? By practicing questions. So what is our 11th question? Euglenoids are obligatory heterotrophic, strictly autotrophic, autotrophic in presence of sunlight, and heterotrophic in absence of the same. D, strictly predators. Answer is C, autotrophic in presence of sunlight and heterotrophic in absence of same. So euglenoids are autotrophic when sunlight is there and heterotrophic when it is not there. 12th question. Which among the following protists has pigment like higher plants? This I have already discussed in one of the previous questions. The answer is euglenoids. Which among the following protists has pigments like higher plants? The answer is euglenoids. Now let us come to our 13th question. Slime molds are autotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic or parasitic. Slime molds are autotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic or parasitic. It is saprophytic. Mostly present on dead plants. Okay. So slime molds are saprophytic. Aggregation formed by slime molds are known as Plasmodium. Aggregation formed by slime molds are known as Plasmodium. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस बच्चे मैं फिर से बोल रही हूँ कि ये अगर आप लोग चाहते हो कि आपसे बने ये क्वेश्चंस बने तो थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू mug up and practice MCQ. Only then you can recall the facts like this. तो कुछ तो बच्चे आपको बाय हार्ट करना ही पड़ेगा, जहां पे लॉजिक ये सब फेल होगा. ठीक है. 15th question is, function of Plasmodium in euglenoids is to sorry students, this is not euglenoids. Sorry, it is a very serious mistake and I'm really sorry for this. Function of Plasmodium in slime molds is to bear spore producing fruiting bodies. Bear spore producing fruiting bodies. Now, how are the spores of, again, how are the spores of slime molds transported? How are the spores of slime molds transported? The spores have flagella. The spores have cilia. The spores are not transported and the spores are transported by air current. The answer is spores are transported by air current. Now let us come to our 17th question. Which among the following is a type of protozoa? Which among the following is a type of protozoa? Mold, blue-green algae, sporozoa, none of them. The answer is sporozoa. The answer is sporozoa. And sporozoa is that type of protozoa where our malaria causing organism belongs. To this group, our malaria causing organism belongs. Okay, so our 18th question. Which among the following protozoa possess the characteristic gullet? Which among the following protozoa possess the characteristic gullet? What is gullet? It is a cavity. Gullet is a cavity and it is present in paramecium, that is ciliated protozoa. It is present in paramecium, which falls under ciliated protozoa. Now comes our 19th question. Flagellated protozoa can be best described as. Flagellated protozoa can be best described as a predator, free living, both free living and parasitic, only parasitic. The answer is both free living and parasitic. Flagellated protozoa can be both free living and parasitic. 20th question. Pseudopodia is present in amoeboid protozoa. First statement is, statement number A is, pseudopodia is present in amoeboid protozoa. Yes, this is a correct statement. And statement B is, infectious spore-like stage is present in sporozoa. This is also correct. Infectious spore-like stage is present in sporozoa. This is also correct. So first let us, in case of such statement type questions, first you read the statement and create a permanent image of your option before reading the options. Okay. Here what is the option that you can create in your mind? That A is correct, B is correct. Because if you start reading the options before creating a proper answer in your mind, it will be becoming very confusing. So first you create your answer. A is correct, B is correct. Now we have to search from here. Only statement A is correct. No. Only statement B is correct. No. Both A and B are wrong. Again, no. So the answer is both A and B are correct. Okay. Both A and B are correct. So here we are going to end our MCQ session, and our next class is a lecture video on bryophytes, and I'll be soon starting the PYQ sessions. Till then, good luck, happy learning. Thank you.